What is a computer language? Just like human language, it's a language which basically is used to communicate with the machine known as computer. You want some work to be done on computer, so you need to know the language which it understands, as we human beings understand a language. Same is the case with this machine, a language in which we can command or request the machine to perform a certain task for us is known as a computer language. So the basic computer language is machine language, which is based upon just two digits and in fact on just two states of the circuit. Current is flowing and current is not flowing. You may call it off and on. You may say something else, and it's represented by 0 when the current is not flowing and 1 when the current is flowing. Then comes assembly language. Assembly language is a bit higher language as compared to machine language, as sequences of zeros and ones is really hard to remember. So what we do is we just use the mnemonics, if I'm not really pronouncing it wrong. These are somewhat English words, like for print you may use PNT, for control you may use CTRL. So these mnemonics are used instead of proper English words. And then this is also hard, but then of course it can be recognized, can be learned easily, much easier than machine language. But still, for just printing, you may use about 5 or 10 lines of code just for printing one alphabet. So this is assembly language. And the third is the higher level languages, which basically are basic language or Q basic or GW basic or C language or COBOL or Fox Pro. They're old languages, Pascal. But now we have Python, we have Visual C++, which is not really that much used, but then it's still being used. C language. Then we have